What is up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We are doing the random for the Rangers in Group Break 193. 193. So we're going to go ahead and go live. We're live at 7:56. 7:56 here in Denver. We got the entire list copy and pasted. Guys, we're going 3 times. Top 6 will each win the Rangers for 2 boxes each. 1, 2. Mike on top after 2. Copy that. Paste. 7:57. 7:57. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Matthew Smith, Samuel Higgins, Nils, Nick, Mark, and Nick. Top 6. Nick Stedman. Look at that. You get 4 boxes, sir. 7:57. 7:57. I will do copy. And there you guys have it. Matthew, Sam, Nils, Nick, Mark, and Nick. Congrats.